Hi, this is GMEC again. Just thought I'd give you another video that something I did here on my 6.5 diesel truck. And I had some regular batteries in this for about a year. I don't want to give any names out, but this battery here I'm liking a lot, so I thought I'd make a video on it and pass on it that this is an Intimidator made by Deca. Sold here nearby where I live. Pretty good warranty on it. It has roughly about 3 years. I think it's actually like 30 months, something like that. But as we take a look at here, this is an AGM battery. So this is a little different here. These you can see right here in the tag. This here it's 12 volt, obviously. Part number for my battery was a 9A34. It's 775 cranking amps, cold cranking amps. And it has a 20-hour rate, so the 55 amp hour. It's a very good battery. I also upgraded in the truck. I went to all top terminal for both batteries on the truck, as you can see over there. So I just wanted to make this quick video on here that if you're in the market for a battery and you have a Deca dealer in your area, I think this battery works very well. Cranks this truck over really well. These 6.5s have a lot of compression, so they need a lot of cranking power along with that gear reduction starter. So just thought I'd pass that word on. So like, subscribe. This is GMEC, and I guess I'll leave you with keep on wrenching.